should attack issues upon their core problem. Hindi lang tayo dapat sumasagot sa tawag ng panahon. Hindi lang kailangan may experience, hindi lang basta-basta. Dahil ang student council, siniseryoso. College of Science, we need officers that are firm enough to fight for what is right, that are firm enough to protect our rights as students. Dapat ang student council kaya panindigan ng kanilang mga plataforma, pinapatupad, hindi lang basta pangako. College of Science, ako po si Amy Cristobal at kasama ko po ang inyong batch level representatives. Kami po, College of Science, ay magpapatupad ng standardized OJT program kung saan ang mga OJT ay hindi lang basta clerical. Dapat related sa courses natin. Dapat na-apply natin ang mga natutunan natin. Dapat meron tayong contribution sa environment natin. This can be done by continuing what Kuya Rez has been established. Supporting the foundation of Turtle Patrol Community and Batangas, which is also advocated by CLS and COS. Bago tayo naging estudyante, pinipili na tayo sa 2010 national elections. Dapat makibahagi tayo, hindi tayo basta papathetic lang. Dapat actively participate tayo. Gamitin natin ang lakas na nagkakait ang scientifico Lasaliano. Together with me, your batch representative, Camille De Rosario and Brian Lucero. Representative, David Highway and Kate Lee. Carmina Marquez and Nicole Gab. At kakbay, natapat
at tunay!
AC Cristobal! AC Cristobal!
AC Cristobal!
I am your college assembly president.